Your organization is required as part of its anti-money laundering program to document a policy that outlines how customer identification information is collected and verified, how the money laundering and terrorism financing risk profile of each customer is assessed and maintained, as well as explain what the triggers are and the process for conducting enhanced and ongoing customer due diligence across new and existing customers based on the risk profile of these customers. The purpose of this document is to define your organization's standards for customer due diligence as it relates to different customer types and customer risk profiles, as well as defining the collection and verification systems, procedures, and controls for performing Know Your Customer checks to establish the identity of a customer, including the ownership and control structure prior to commencing a relationship with the customer or facilitating transaction activity on their behalf. This document contains the current requirements based on the country that you selected to perform the assessment, and is regularly maintained to ensure that your anti-money laundering program is based on the latest published guidance materials. The Customer Due Diligence Standards document is structured into a number of sections, including a guide to the minimum collection requirements of customer identification information from different types of customers, the acceptable verification methods to verify that the customer is who they claim to be, the recommended process for performing electronic and document-based identity verification, the approach to verifying the identity of customers, beneficial owners, certifying officers and agents, and politically exposed persons, the approach to performing enhanced customer due diligence depending on the type of customer and/or their risk profile, and how to handle discrepancies in the customer due diligence process. The Customer Due Diligence Standards document can be tailored in the same way as the AML Program Manual, with sections, subsections, and paragraphs can be added, edited, deleted, and reordered. As a key component for your organization's anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing program, it is essential that you carefully read and understand the contents of this document, and modify this according to your specific circumstances prior to publishing.